Let us look at enum. Enum is used for defining our own data types. For example, I'll take here enum a day. Day is the name of a data type. Now, what are the values that it can have is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Or in my program, anywhere in my program, I can declare a variable of type day. Day D. So it's a variable of type day. Now, what are the values this day can have? Let us see. D assign 1. Can I have 1? No, I cannot assign a value. So, can I assign any number like this? 0? No. But is it possible that I can assign Monday like this? Yes, I can assign only these values that I have mentioned. So, what is the value of Monday? Let us print and check it. Cout D. Let me run the program and show you. So Monday means 0. It is printing 0. So it means if I give this value as Tuesday, then what the value will be? It's printing 1. So it means when I have defined enum, Monday is assigned with a 0 and this is 1. So definitely Wednesday will be 2 and Thursday will be 3 and so on. So it is assigning the values to these. So can I directly say display Monday? Let us check. Instead of D, I will say Monday. So value of Monday is 0. So I can use those values also. It means Monday is like an identifier. So can I say Monday plus plus? No, cannot increment expression of num type day. So we cannot modify them. So it means these are like constants. Yes, all these are set of constants under one name, that is day. And I can declare the variable of type day and I can use those constant for these variables. And the constant starts from 0 onwards. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if I write anything here, like say, if I write Friday, then what the value will be? Yes, it is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Friday is 4. Now next thing, can I start Monday with 1? If I start Monday with 1, then what Tuesday will be and what Wednesday will be? Let us display all these values and check them. I will say this is Monday and I will copy paste these and change the values. Yeah, I'm displaying all these values here. So you know the order, that is from Monday through Sunday. Let us run this. Now Monday is 1, so rest of the values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it means the starting point is 1, so rest of them will take the next value from 1 onwards. If I give Monday as a 10, then what happens? They will take the next values, then 10, 11, 12, so on. So I'll make it 1 back again. Then on Thursday, I will give it as a 10. Let us see what happens. So I have given Monday as 1 and Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday I have given 10. Let us run. So Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3 and Thursday, as I have given value 10 here, so it is starting from 10, 11, 12 and 13. So it means I can give any value I want to these constants. So can I say Tuesday assign 7? Let us check. Tuesday assign 7, so Wednesday will be 8. Yes, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 7 and Wednesday is 8. It means I can assign some values to these constants or else I can leave them as it is. They will be taking the values starting from 0 onwards. Instead of defining constants using hash define, say Monday is 0, instead of this, or instead of declaring const int Monday as 0, if I need constants like this or symbolic constant, not just one, I need a set of constants, then I can define those set of constants using enum. So enum is used for defining a group of constants under one name, that is related constants under one name. So that's the meaning of enum. And enum can be used for various purposes, like say if I have a enum for DEPT, that is department, so one of the department is computer science, that is CS department, or IT department, or electronic and communication department, or mechanical department. So I can define the departments like this. Now these departments will take the codes from CS is 0 and IT is 1, electronic is 2 and mechanical is 3 and so on. So if you say no, let them take the constant values from 1 onwards, so you can make CS as 1, rest of them will be taking the following values. So in this way I can define some constants and I can use them in the program. The benefit of using the constant is that the program becomes readable. See, I can declare the data type of type department and DEP and assign some department name. So this becomes more readable. That is the benefit of defining constant values. So instead of using literals, we can use constants. So that's all about enum. Next, I will talk about typedef also. Yeah, let us talk about typedef. Typedef is used for defining our own data type or giving alias to some data type so that we can make the program more readable. So the purpose of typedef is to make the program more readable. Let us take example, say typedef integer as, let us say, marks. Now here, anywhere in my program, I can say marks as m1 comma m2. So these are integer type variables. I can assign any value to them. M1 assign 50, M2 assign 90, I can assign some values to them. So now M1, M2 are the variables of type marks. And what is marks? Marks is nothing but integer. See, if I write int here, then the problem is that I cannot make out what is the purpose of these two variables. So while typing a very lengthy program, I may forget what for I have declared the variables. Even after a few days when I look at my program, so it will take time for me to understand what for I have declared these variables. So instead of that, if I use the meaningful name for data type, then it gives the clear meaning that M1 is of type marks or M2 is of type also marks, that is of type integer. And otherwise, I have to make documentation, that is I have to write comments that M1 and M2 are for storing marks. So I don't have to give these comments. The statement itself speaks about the type of values that you are going to store in them. So that is the benefit. So it makes the program readable. So typedef can be used wherever required, is friendly for the programmer. And that's it. So you can try these things by yourself.